This approach is using REBT. What brought you into counseling, or what situation is bothering you?
I've actually got a really, really big presentation coming up, and I've got to, be speaking in a pretty large crowd, and I'm just really feeling really nervous and anxious about it.
Okay. Can you identify any potentially problematic beliefs that you have about this situation?
I do have a few because, they're really kind of bothering me, but, one of the major ones is I feel that I can't mess up. Like, I must not mess up when I'm doing it, and, that I must do it perfectly, and also that, that it's actually really awful because I hate public speaking.
Okay. What consequences do you face because of these beliefs?
Well, as I said, I do worry so much, that my anxiety really skyrockets. I feel, my heart's beating 100 miles a minute, and, that I feel like I'm just sweating really bad, like sweating just profusely, and that I just start stuttering and saying a lot, and, when you public speak, that's the last thing you want to say is, and you don't want to stutter also.
Okay. Are there any questions you could ask yourself to help you dispute these beliefs?
Can you give an example of one?
Where's the proof that you can't do it? Or what do you mean when you said you can't handle it? What's actually going to happen to you?
Okay. Well, I think one would be to ask myself, why do I get so nervous about it? Really, what's the big deal about giving, presentation in front of people? Why is it so bad? What's the worst that can happen to me while I'm up there? And, who says I can't do it?
Right. Can you identify some more rational beliefs that you can hold about this situation?
Some rational beliefs, it may make me feel kind of uncomfortable, and it could be even difficult, but I do feel that I can do it. I do know that I can, but it does make me nervous, but I think I can handle it, and, as the saying goes, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, so, I feel that even though it is going to be stressful to me, I know it's not going to kill me.
Right. And how will these help you better handle the situation?
Anxiety is a pretty, common feeling that people, deal with every day. So, with that, it's normal, so I can definitely handle it. And, I will feel very proud of myself when I do end up accomplishing the task.
Okay. And how are you now able to approach the situation now that you are able to see it with these new beliefs?
I'm definitely, when I know that I'm going to have to public speak, I'm really able to go in there with like a clear head, I'm able to kind of tell myself, don't worry about it, I'm going to do just fine, it's not going to kill me. And, I'm also able to even move closer to my goal of becoming more, successful and even, being better as being a public speaker, because in the profession that I'm going to be in, I am going to end up having to speak in front of a lot of people.